Hello friends, what's new? In this video, I will tell you about my best holiday. These were in Ibagué, Tolima, and we traveled there 2 years ago. It is a city that I love for its weather and its nature. In this photo, my wife and I. I also like it a lot as we see in the photo the colonial architecture of its buildings and how friendly its people are. I really enjoyed their culture and music, and just at the same time the music festival was taking place. In this photo, a sculpture of a man playing an instrument. As you can see in this image, its landscape is really beautiful, and the truth is that I would like to return. My family liked the trip very much and they didn't want to come back, but we hope to go back and get to the snow of Tolima. Well, I hope you like it. See you soon. Bye.